laundry, but I'm so lazy I don't even feel like getting my pants off.
I don't feel like putting my shirt on.
I'm wearing pants, I'm wearing shorts, I don't feel like getting my hot as woods and they're gone. Today's not a good day.
No, I have to go to work.
Have fun with that.
Well, oh, I can't believe I just punched the wall. That really hurt. I'm gonna go walk downtown to work later. Look at my effing tree. Whoa, it's getting so tall. Yeah!
When you die, there's 7 seconds in which you're in a dream state, okay? You're unconsciously conscious. However, while dreaming, you lose all perception of time. A day could be a minute, a second could be a year. So what if you're dead? What if you've been dead for 3 seconds? Your entire life up until now has been a dream.
Whoa.
If you could grasp that concept, then you could enter a lucid dream state in which you can control your dream, as in you can do whatever. It'd be like the Matrix.
You can live forever.
Not forever, no, for 4 seconds, but you could do whatever you want.
Boobs! You know my hat, whenever I had the mohawk and I would get the size buzzed down, my hat would not fit me as well. And now, I just want to try. Oh, it's good. Feels a bit bigger. It'll do. We have to go through the drive-thru because the washroom's flooded. Can't believe they got it right.
Wow.
It's amazing. But the fries are gonna suck.
They're already sucked. Try them. They're all cold.
That's because that's what's already left. They're not gonna make new stuff. They're closing it down. Oh, look at that. That's funny. So what happened?
Girls' bathroom.
A loose fitting or something.
Like, how long was it running before they noticed?
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, why wouldn't you turn it off?
I know there's water all over. No one's gonna steal my camera for drug money. Okay? We're off to the Ganny, and my dad thinks people are gonna steal my camera and use it for drug money. It's kind of a sketchy place. But they have live music every weekend, so it's kind of cool. Not for example! And the splash. I don't care. I got the vote. I got the vote. I'm still right to the top.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Try again. What did you get?
Try again.
What? Oh, that's good. Exactly. I'll drink them.
Yo, I've been high and I've been real low. Yeah.
What I see, everybody stares and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. Sexy and I know 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 it. girl, you just can't find them all. When I'm at the beach, I'm in a speedo, I'm trying to tell my cheeks, yeah. This is how I roll, come on ladies, it's time to go. We're headed to the bar, baby, don't think there's no shoes, no shirt, I still get suburbs. Oh, girl, look at that body. Oh, girl, look at that body. Oh, girl, look at that body. Work out. When I'm down, I smile, this is what I see. Everybody stares, they staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. Sexy and I know 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 it. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. I'm sexy, 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 sexy and I know it. Oh, sexy, 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 sexy and I know it. Oh, sexy, 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 sexy and I know it. Oh, sexy, 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 sexy and I know it. Oh, sexy and I know it.
I feel like you would have a tip right now.
Thank you. Thank you very much. We wrote the lyrics to that and somebody else took it before we could take credit for it, so. Alright.
So it's like, good night.
Good night.